There's some big breaking coming in from Telangana. Ruling TRS netas face citizens' anger over Hyderabad rains. Telangana Minister K.T. Ramarao has grilled. In fact, he was grilled by angry residents in Hyderabad. TRS MLA Subhash Reddy grilled by residents while he was reviewing the flood situation in his constituency. He receives the heat. Ashish joining us live for more details on that. Ashish, undoubtedly, the TRS party leaders now are facing the heat. They are going to be, in fact, they've already been grilled by residents, the locals. One of those leaders there who come out, K.T. Ramarao, he's been grilled by angry residents in Hyderabad even as we speak there. Subhash Reddy, who's currently being cornered. Take us through the details. What are people's grouse?
Yes, Nabila, like these visuals are clearly showing that in Uppal area, TRS ruling party Telangana Rashtra Samiti MLA B. Subhash Reddy, he was visiting one of the flood-affected areas, and there several women who are still stranded over rooftops, they questioned MLA visit. They said that MLAs are only visiting these areas, but they are awaiting any kind of assistance and help. And that turned into anger, and they really grilled to the ruling party MLA. In a similar incident, Municipal Administration Minister K.T. Ramarao, he was visiting flood-affected areas across Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, and he also faced similar kind of situation. Yesterday also we witnessed that there was a protest held by residents in LB Nagar area. Today again, when K.T. Ramarao was visiting one of the area, one youth tried questioning to the minister about rescue and relief effort, and the security personnel there, they dragged that person out. So clearly this is the situation here. Of course people are angry because it's almost 24 hours. Rain has just stopped, but several areas of the city, several residential areas of the cities are still underwater. And there the residents are alleging and they are claiming that they have not got any kind of support, assistance or relief from the ruling party or from the government.
Right. Ashish, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Quite clearly, the ruling party, TRS party, receiving heat. The infrastructure is dilapidated so far. No respite for those residents. Every time there's a heavy bout of rain, and that's it. Life comes to a standstill. In fact, moderate rains continued in many other parts of Hyderabad, which is witnessing no respite so far. Massive waterlogging has been reported from the city. The city is still reeling from 15 deaths that took place and disrupted several areas due to torrential rains for the last 2 days. A boat capsized during the rescue operations last night in Virasanagar area. All the flood-hit areas had also even now at this moment still remains grim. Many of them had narrow escape. The city witnessed large-scale destruction with roads being damaged and cars being swept away yesterday. The army was roped in to help in rescue works. In fact, Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao has called a high-level meeting to review the situation and ascertain the damage that were caused by rains and floods. The report will be submitted to the central government.
हैदराबाद शहर में लगभग इस 4-5 साल में जो स्ट्रांग वाटर का सिस्टम है उसमें कोई सिल्ट नहीं निकाले, पूरा स्ट्रांग वाटर क्लोज हो गया, पूरा पाइपलाइंस क्लोज हो गया। बरसात का स्ट्रांग वाटर पाइपलाइन पूरा कोलैप्स होने के कारण पूरा पानी ऊपर आया, रोड के ऊपर आया, घरों के अंदर आया। ये व्यवस्था भी ठीक करना चाहिए क्योंकि लगातार इस 4-5 साल में दृष्टि नहीं लगाए थे, सिल्टिंग ठीक तरीके से नहीं निकाले थे। कोई सिल्टिंग नहीं है, कोई टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है। पूरे जितने करोड़ों रुपए खर्च करके स्ट्रांग वाटर पाइपलाइन डालते हैं, मगर उसको कोई मेंटेन नहीं रहने के कारण पूरा पैसे बर्बाद हो गया, जनता भी परेशान में है। कोई राजनीति नहीं करूंगा मैं, ये पूरा रिलीफ एक्टिविटी होने के बाद जो वास्तविकता है वास्तविकता जनता के सामने बताऊंगा, जब तक कोई राजनीति नहीं करूंगा।
We are at Nadeem Colony area of Hyderabad. It's under Toli Chowki, and you can see the situation here. It's almost 24 hours and still water level, you can see the water level, complete car is completely submerged, and now NDRF teams have been pressed into service and they are helping people. They are helping in relief and rescue effort. And NDRF, DRF, local administration, they all are rescuing women, children, old and sick people from this area. Authorities claim that almost 1,000 families are stranded in this area, and almost 500 so far they have been evacuated. But still, many of the families, like those on rooftops, you can see all these families are completely they are still stuck, and they are just waiting for the help. NDRF teams one by one in batches rescuing all these persons stranded in this Nadeem colony locality of Hyderabad. With camera person Damodar, Ashish in Hyderabad for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.